In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your files in Google Drive effectively. By the end of this video, you'll be able to organize your digital workspace for optimal productivity, leveraging the power of Google Drive's features to keep everything in order. Let's start by talking about organization through folders. When you open Google Drive, one of the simplest yet most powerful tools at your disposal is the folder system. To create a new folder, you'll click on the New button located in the top left corner of the screen, and then select Folder. Now, here's where the magic of organization happens. Think of your Google Drive as a filing cabinet. You want your files to be logically placed so you can find them with ease. Create subfolders within your main folders for different projects, subjects, or however it suits your needs best. Now onto naming conventions. This might seem minor, but having a consistent naming convention is crucial for maintaining order. Simple, meaningful names are your best friends here. Incorporate dates, project names, or relevant keywords in your file names. For example, rather than having files named Document 1 or Untitled, you might have something like Project Eka Report August 2023. This approach makes your files not only easier to find, but also easier to identify at a glance. Next, let's bring a splash of color into your organization with color coding. This visual categorization can save you time and effort. To change the color of a folder, right-click on the folder you want to change. You'll see an option to Change Color. Go ahead and select the color that makes the most sense for what the folder represents, maybe blue for personal, red for urgent, and green for completed projects. This little bit of color psychology helps you sort through folders quickly. Sometimes you have files or folders that you need frequent access to. That's where starring comes in. By right-clicking on a file or folder and selecting Organize followed by Add to Starred, you create a shortcut for easy access later. Think of it like placing a bookmark in a physical book. It gets you right back to where you need to be with minimum fuss. Finally, you can add descriptions to your files and folders for additional context. By right-clicking and choosing File Information, and then Details, you can input descriptions. These descriptions can come in handy when you need a brief summary or specific detail about the contents of a file. So, there you have it, constructing a system of organization that complements the way you work. It's all about making your digital space work for you, saving you time and effort so you can focus on what's essential. Happy organizing!